Welcome to our Prison of Knowledge YouTube channel. We are passionate about sharing valuable information, insights, and tips on various topics ranging from personal development, technology, health and wellness, and much more. Our channel is dedicated to providing high-quality content that is informative, engaging, and thought-provoking. Our mission is to empower our viewers with knowledge and inspire them to lead a better life. 1. Strong passwords. Your password is the first line of defense for securing your social media accounts. Creating a strong and secure password is crucial. Some tips for creating strong passwords include using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoiding common words, phrases, and personal information. Creating unique passwords for each social media account. Changing your password regularly. 2. Two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your social media accounts. This process involves confirming your identity through an additional method, such as a text message or app notification. To enable two-factor authentication, follow the instructions provided by each social media platform. 3. Privacy settings. Privacy settings allow you to control who can see your profile and content on social media. It's important to regularly review and adjust your privacy settings. Some tips for securing your privacy settings include limiting who can view your profile and posts, restricting who can send you friend requests, turning off location services and tagging features, being mindful of who you allow to view your personal information. 4. Avoiding suspicious links. Hackers often use phishing scams to trick users into giving them access to their social media accounts. Phishing scams typically involve an email or message with a link to a fake login page. To avoid phishing scams, follow these tips. Never click on suspicious links in emails or messages. Be wary of emails or messages that ask for your login information. Hover over links to see the URL before clicking on them. Only log into your social media accounts from official websites or apps. 5. Be cautious when connecting with unknown people. Accepting friend requests from people you don't know can be risky. To protect your social media account, follow these tips. Only accept friend requests from people you know. Avoid accepting friend requests from strangers. Be cautious of friend requests from people with limited profiles or suspicious content.
6. Regularly reviewing and cleaning up social media accounts. It's important to regularly review and clean up your social media accounts. Some tips for securing your social media accounts include removing inactive accounts that you no longer use, limiting personal information on profiles, reviewing and deleting old posts that may no longer be relevant, being mindful of what you share online. 7. Avoiding public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks can be unsafe for accessing your social media accounts. To protect your social media accounts, follow these tips. Avoid using public Wi-Fi to access social media accounts. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to connect to the internet securely. Use a trusted mobile hotspot or a personal data plan to access social media accounts on the go. 8. Keeping software up to date. Regularly updating software on your social media accounts is important to protect against vulnerabilities. To keep your software up to date, follow these tips. Set up automatic updates for your social media apps. Install antivirus software on your devices. Use the latest version of your web browser to access social media accounts. 9. Being wary of what you post online. Anything you post online can stay there forever, even if you delete it. To protect your social media accounts, follow these tips. Be mindful of what you post online. Avoid posting personal information that could be used to identify you. Be cautious of posting sensitive content, such as financial or medical information. Think twice before posting content that could harm your reputation. 10. Limiting the amount of personal information shared on social media. Sharing personal information on social media can be risky. I believe that knowledge is the key to success and happiness. With our YouTube channel, we strive to provide our viewers with useful information that can help them achieve their goals, overcome challenges, and lead a fulfilling life. We are committed to delivering high-quality content that is relevant, engaging, and inspiring. Thank you for joining us on this journey.